If you have problem with your Sony FDR X3000 together with your RODE VideoMicro, yes, that tapping sound, if that's the sound that you hear, this video will have two ways for you to solve it. Hi guys, some of you might wonder why will you have that kind of problem when you actually have one of the best action camera, which is Sony FDR X3000, with one of the best microphones, which is RODE VideoMicro. So the thing is this, if you see this cable, and this device actually has a lot of wireless. So if you actually combine all this together with this cold cable, somehow it actually get the pulse of the wireless connections here. So there are two ways to solve this. The first way is to actually turn off the wireless, such as the Bluetooth, the GPS, and the Wi-Fi. So there are two ways. You can either turn them off manually, or you can directly use flight mode. I personally prefer to use flight mode. That's the first method. So now I have actually turned off flight mode. Let's try one more time then. Alright, so this is the testing of the microphone with the original cable. Yes, the tapping sound is gone. But of course, if those of you who actually uses this, which is actually the wireless screen or the wireless display, you might have a problem if you are going to use the flight mode. So what do? Actually, there's a way for you to solve this problem, which is just by using, let me just turn off the airplane mode. Yep, everything is on. So the other way to solve this problem is to actually use a normal audio cable. What you just do is just to swap this out, and then put this cable in. So just put this normal cable in, oopsie daisy. Ensure that everything is actually plugged in all the way. So okay, so once everything is plugged in, let's test it one more time then. So I will turn this display on so that it's actually connected to this, and now record so that you can see the sound is actually not there also. Let me quickly get it connected. Okay, so as you can see, it's connected. So I will actually start to record this. Alright, so this is testing with the cable, which is not the original cable, and I can use this wireless display, and the tapping sound is not there anymore. So I hope that this actually helped you guys shoot videos better, so you don't need to actually spend more money to actually buy a new microphone like the lavalier that I have. So happy shooting, guys. See you guys next time. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. If you have, or if you know the scientific reason why there's actually interference with this cable, please let me know also. I would love to learn. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.